How to get face tracking in Roblox Mobile. So first, open your Roblox application, click the three dots, and then go to settings. Now here, if you click account info, you can see here that you need to verify your age, right? But it's okay, you don't need to verify your age as long as you're 13 up. You can enable your camera, and that is under privacy, okay? So no need to verify your age here. Now go back and then look for privacy, okay? Tap privacy. Now scroll down, and then there you can see a camera icon, and all you have to do is to enable that. Okay, now you have to scroll down and see this camera input, and then toggle this one on. And if you toggle this one on, you can see here that the settings allow you to animate your avatar. Okay, click enable, and then as you can see, save successfully. What you're going to do now is to simply go to your home and then look for customize. Okay, tap this avatar here, the icon at the center, click customize. And then here you just have to simply go to head and body. Okay, tap this one and then select a face icon here. Now take note that you have to make sure that the face or the head that you're going to select should have the sticker smiling or a smiley sticker. That means if you use this head, then you can probably enable your camera. I mean, it can detect or track your face. Okay, face movement in short. Okay, and also you can remove other faces here. You just have to select this one I tap here, okay, and then that's it. Now you can go back, and then this time you can select a game. But let me tell you that not all game has camera input. I mean, camera feature rather. So you have to select a game and go, for example, camera face hangout. Okay, so if you scroll down, you can see there under communication, you can see microphone and camera feature. Okay, so if you see this one, okay, camera, tap this green button and you can play your game. Okay, so once you're here, what you're going to do is you simply go to your settings and check if the camera is enabled or you're using the correct settings for your camera. Another thing is go to your settings, go to app management, go to app list, and then tap or type Roblox. And then here you have to make sure that you have enabled your camera here. Okay, so go to Roblox. Now go to permission and see if that your camera has access to this game. So I hope this video helped you. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next videos.